Hello everybody, welcome back to KantanFood by Satoshi. September 21st, 2021 is a mid-autumn day, 中秋の名月 Moon Festival Day. In Japan, we celebrate Moon Festival with Dango. So, I will make Tsukimi Dango, Moon Watching Dango. So, there are a variety of recipes to make Dango. But today, I'm gonna use these powder. These powders are made from rice powder, but this one is regular rice. This one is called Joshin. This regular rice powder makes the dango a little bit firmer, so I want to make a little bit softer. So I use this as a sticky rice powder called Shiratama. So I combined two types of powder, regular rice powder and sticky rice powder. So today's recipe is pretty simple. 100 grams of Joshin, the regular rice powder, and this one 100 grams of sticky rice powder. And make it softer and smooth, I add 1 tablespoon of sugar. And here pour hot water, but not using really hot water. I have to knead with my hand, so it should be lower temperature, lukewarm water, and mix with my hand. So if it is hot, really hot water, you will burn your hand. Mix, just mix. I like this rice aroma. So combine very well. Well. So it becomes like one knead dough. Okay. So in Japan, Moon Festival Day is called Jugoya, 15th lunar calendar day. So we make dango. We use dango 15 balls. 15 balls dango. So I will make 15. So take some. The size is like this. This is okay. This is enough. You don't have to make so big. Like this. It's a little bit smaller than the table tennis ball, ping pong ball. Okay. So repeat. Please make same size. Almost same size. Okay, almost same size. A little bit bigger. Take a little bit. Okay, it's the same size. The third one. Okay, and repeat and make 15 balls. So I made 15 balls. Actually, I made 16 balls. So after this, I will boil these dango balls in the hot water. So I prepared boiling water into this. Put dango balls you made. This time I put 4 balls. When you put these dango balls into the hot water, dango will sink in the bottom of this hot pot, but it will come up. It will float. After they come up, boil 3 more minutes. You can hear some sound because I'm baking a bread now using home bakery. Here is a home bakery. We don't use so much, but we found a very nice cake mix. No, bread mix. So we couldn't resist. So they are floating. They came up to the surface. Okay, then boil 3 more minutes. Okay, 3 minutes passed. Then take these dango balls out from the boiling water. Then put into cold water. Reduce the heat. Then take it out from this water and remove excess water on the paper towel. And repeat the same way for rest of dango balls. So I am boiling rest of 12 dango balls. Sometimes it will stick each other or stick to the bottom of this hot pot. So at that time, please release using your chopsticks. Okay, they comes up to the surface. So boil 3 more minutes. Okay, my dango balls are completely boiled. So take it out and put in cold water and reduce the heat, reduce the temperature, cooler. So I'll take these dango balls out from the water. Oh, ice cubes, okay. And remove excess water. Okay, here are my dango balls. So, place your dango balls on your favorite plate. Square plate is recommended. So for Tsukimi dango, I put 15 balls. So first layer should be 9. So 3 times 3, total 9 balls for the bottom layer. If you use your finger, the dango ball will stick, so I recommend to use chopsticks. Okay, like this. 3 times 3, first layer. And second layer should be 4. Total 13. Total 13 balls here. And the top layer should be 2. Not 1. 2. Okay, my Tsukimi dango is ready. The dango which I cooked has no flavor, almost no flavor. Just rice. I added a little bit of sugar, but it's not sweet. So I will make syrup like mitarashi dango, but it's not mitarashi. It's moon festival, moon watching day. So I want to make it like moon. The color should be yellow. So in the pot, I pour 150 ml of passion fruit juice and 50 ml of coconut milk and 100 grams of sugar. Then turn on the heat, combine and melt sugar and simmer until it becomes a little bit thickened. Color is like moon. Okay, it will become thicker, a little bit thicker. Turn off the heat and pour in a small bowl and reduce the heat. I'm glad my brioche has done. Let's check. Open the lid. Nice, nice. So take it out. Wow, amazing. To take out bread, it's a little bit difficult. Oh yeah, it comes out. Okay, okay, here we go. My brioche is ready. So outside there's moon. It's really beautiful. Autumn moon is really beautiful. This dango is offering, praying for a good harvesting. Did you see? Today's moon is really beautiful. The autumn sky is very clear. We can see the moon really nice, beautiful. After we pray, we can eat. Itadakimasu. Look this beautiful dango, beautiful cute dango. When we offer for a god or moon, we don't pour any syrup or an. And now you can add. So, this is my passion fruit syrup. So, pour this. Oh, nice, nice. 美味しそう。美味しそう。looks nice. So, please have one dango with passion fruit syrup. いただきます。I wanna add more syrup. The texture is super nice. It's bouncy. Still, it has a chewiness, but smooth and soft. Good dango, good dango. If you cannot find those powders like Joshin or Shiratama, you can make it from cooked rice using katakuriko, potato starch. Combine potato starch and rice and pound and make it round. Not super smooth, but very close to this dango. I want more. One more dango. Oh, did you realize this glass? This is Tsukimi glass. We set this dango with Tsukimi glass for offering. This one is from our local florist, Roka-Roka-san. Thank you very much, Roka-Roka-san. いつもありがとうございます。Hope you guys enjoyed today's my dango recipe. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Let us know what is your favorite dango eating way. みたらし or anko or something like that. Please let me know. And subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.